Shoelaces tied, the breeze feels new. Sidewalks hum, a silver hue. Windows blink in slanted light. No one else and that feels right. Shutters creak and curtains sway. Coffee scents from blocks away. Even the lamppost seems to breathe, as if the world believes in me. No need to rush, no need to hide. I'm walking out with open eyes. The air tastes like a second chance. My heartbeat finds a steady dance. Each footstep says begin again, and nothing's holding back the day. Mailbox flags and birds in sync. Faded chalk by the skating rink. A stranger nods, the silence grins, like something good is caving in. I'm not who I was yesterday. The quiet clears the heavy gray. The sky unfolds without a sound and lifts my gaze above the ground. Each breath I take feels fresh and wide, like I'm already on the ride. No need for maps or guiding hands. The moment speaks and I understand. This peace I feel, it's not by chance. It's built from choosing where I stand. So let the sun stay out of frame. I don't need gold to stake my claim. This simple calm, this bold release is all I need to walk in peace. And if the